Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist, and for my tip of the day, I'm going to be talking about something you should never do while using a white cane. So my tip of the day today is actually very quick and simple, but I find it really important, especially for safety, and that is to never use the loop or elastic loop that's found at the top of a folding cane, the one that's at the top of the handle, as either a wrist strap or a wrist wrap. So this is actually really important for safety, and I'll explain why in just a second. But this loop should really just be used for keeping the cane together when it's folded so it doesn't become unfolded. And it can also be used maybe to hang up the cane on a coat rack or something. But you do not want to put your hand through this elastic wrap, especially while traveling, because if something were to happen to your cane and the cane starts getting pulled, your hand and arms going with it and potentially your whole body, and that could really be a big safety issue. So let me share a few examples of stories I've actually heard happen to people. One was a gentleman was trying to get on a bus, and the bus doors closed on his cane before he could get on, and the bus actually started to pull away, and his hand was actually through the loop of the cane, and the bus actually started to pull him a little bit, but luckily he was able to get his hand out of the loop quick enough that he didn't get any serious injuries. And another example I heard was this woman was walking down the sidewalk and a car pulled out of a driveway and didn't see her and actually ran over her cane. And her hand was actually in the loop at the top of the cane, and she wasn't able to get out in time. So it actually pulled her wrist and arm, and she actually had some shoulder issues after that. Luckily, it wasn't too severe, but there was actually an injury involved. So I highly, highly recommend not using this wrist strap. I know it's pretty instinctive because if somebody drops a cane, they want to be able to easily pick it up, not have to search around for it, but it's definitely not worth it, especially for safety. So I hope this video was helpful today in learning why you should not use the elastic loop at the top of the cane as a wrist wrap. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this tip was helpful, and have a wonderful day.